we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If the AC unit is not vented outside or into another room, the hot air will remain locked up inside the space. The less humidity inside a room, the cooler it feels. If you don't vent the portable AC unit, then the moisture will continue to build up and neutralize the cooling effect of the air conditioner.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.